Karibu tena guku gwa Kikuyu Daily News na gikorwo mugeni twika wa gusubscribe niguo tunyitanire na thengio NDERITU ni atigitwo na ruo KIEHA na maithori maingi na kigiriko kinene mucu ni undu wa cieko cia muthuri wake muini na muthigari wa gakundi ko Musamindo hamwe na ko wife wake Karen Nyamuciku iria maragikorwo makirekereria nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria na gutiga Eddie na ruo runene na riu mwaho wa gikundi kinene kia ahuthiri a nenda ni mathingiririe NDERITU eherie online oye break for some time kuma guku nenda-ini for her to heal first. Andu makiuga ni wega Eddie athie break niguo atige kuona maundu maria maratemanga ngoro yake ona maundu ma kumwagithia thayo niguo ngoro yake tuike ya kuhona nakio kironda kia separation kihone so that she can heal and move on na maisha make. Ndeto ici na iria irekereirio ni mafans ma Eddie ciukite oriri Samindo arikitie gutwara his baby mama kana mutumia wake ri muteti Karen Nyamu kwao gicagi na even kumu introduce to their in-laws riria magikugwagira graduation ceremony ya brother yao uria munini. Giki ni kionereria gia ati Samindo has moved on na maisha make with Karen being his wife. Amugutiri hindi ungithie igongona ria family na mutumia wene, this being the same family iria yamukirite NDERITU na hau kabere ta mutumia wa Samindo, na giki ni giko gia kimwe kiria giturithitie Eddie na kumutiga na ruo runene na maithori maingi, kuona even her in-laws married day and very okay supporting his husband's decision na even doing nothing to make sure kina Samindo ni marugamia mucii wao. Na riu ndeto itikiri hau thutha wa all these happenings na maundu maria maingi tukionete Samindo hamwe na mutumia wake Karen Nyamu magika guturithia Eddie. Riu mwaho wa gikundi kia team Eddie ni mara request Eddie to take some break online niguo ngoro ihone, na matongoirio ni wa mutu wa Ngure Irungu akiuga disappear for sometimes like 3 years, hit the gym and take a career course which you like to degree level, and above all let the time do the talking for you through spiritual nourishment, thank me later. Amwe makiuga Eddie should take a break to heal, kuona the more she posts na kurekereria ndumiriri cia motivational quotes ni kionereria gia ati she's still hurting na more so she's dwelling on pain. Kim kama wakiuga the deeper the motivational message the heavier the heart. Heal sio lazima upost. Akiuga Eddie should heal first kuma kure separation yake na muthuri wake Samindo, na Eddie who seems not to take a break, kuona whoever kana whatever broke her heart dekiri guku online and she might be getting solace from her online family. She's mamake Kaluse akiuga when you wanna kushow you avoid social media so that you can heal, tell them you are not sick na life ni lazima iendelee, always pretty. Akiuga Eddie kurwara emurwaru for her to avoid social media kana agakiremwo ni kuhuthira mitambo yake ya nenda. Ani waithira akiuga ati avoid social media so that you heal. Did social media hurt her? Avoid what hurts you. The fact that she's happy makes some people bitter. Hashtag nothing but prayers. Akiuga social media is not the one that broke Eddie na she should only avoid andu aria na maundu maria mamuonetie ruo na maithori. Kikuyu Daily News, subscribe.